Hey guys, I haven't even finished editing my last unboxing video, let alone putting it up online for ya. But today we've got yet another unboxing video. I might have been on a little bit of a shopping spree, but not really. It's a ring light. So it came with a lot of bubble wrap, a little adapter charger thing that goes to USB, the remote control of course, a tripod which you can see here, some instructions, and I believe, yes. And this makes a phone holder. My camera actually died on me, but I just want to show you how I managed to set up this ring light. So it came with a USB power. You don't have a wall charger for it, you've got to use one of your own. But that's alright because I have plenty. And this tripod is quite thick and sturdy, which I really do like. You're able to adjust this to about, I think 2 meters, which is more than what I require since I'm only 5 feet. And here I have the phone mount, which was really easy to install. So I'll just turn this around. So I just screwed that in, and it was already working and ready to go. I've just positioned it so that it works with my camera, so that the camera comes through the middle and has a very central sort of feel to it. Now as for the buttons, here we go. Here we've got warm and cold. That's obviously the phone mount attachment. The power. Here we've got RGB and RGB switch. So to turn it on, you press the warm and cold one. And there you can see that it's made the door very bright and white. If I press that again, it goes to warm mode. And once more, it goes to natural mode, which is a mix between the cool and the warm modes. And one more time and it turns it off. So I quite like the natural mode the most, which is a mix between the first two. If we go across, so that was just pressing the RGB on off switch, and it's given me this sort of greeny color. And if I press it again, it goes to like this reddy pinky sort of tone, blue, yellow, and I believe this is the, oh no, this one's blue again. Pink again, and then sort of a party, but I'm not sure if it's gonna give people epilepsy or not. And this is one of my favorite ones, where it just gently cycles through all the colors, and it gives it a very sort of high-tech feel to it. I think that if I stopped making YouTube videos, I could still probably use this light at parties, whether you use it as a DIY photo booth or as, you know, just to add to the ambiance of the place. And then pressing the switch just sort of cycles through colors as well. And if we view it from the front, I'm not sure if the camera will actually record it, but as I was saying, on in the cool mode, in the warm mode, natural mode, which like I said before is a mix between the cool and the warm, off. And if we go through the colors, we've got green, red, blue, orangey yellow, a different blue, pink, epileptic, party, duff duff, and cool high-tech gentle cycling through all the colors. It's kind of mesmerizing. And there you have it. That's the ring light that I bought off eBay that I actually love more than I thought I would. So that's it, guys. That's the ring light, which I will probably be using from now on. I hope you have a great weekend. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!